Nigerian Genius.
This is Team
UNN. In the morning, we were given the brain teaser challenge, and it was a unique one. We were given toothpicks, a cup of toothpicks, and asked to make any furniture of our choice out of it.
But the task for today is to make any furniture of your choice using toothpicks. Okay? So you're making a toothpick furniture. Of course, it has to be miniature. Whatever furniture you decide to make. But let it be, don't tell me this is a table and I look at it and it doesn't look like a table. Do you understand? So let it be something that I can easily define once I see it, even though it's a miniature pattern. Okay? Let it be stable too, as much as possible. And let it be creative, you know. It speaks of your ingenuity. As usual, you have 5 minutes to plan, 25 minutes to execute.
So eventually we came up with a table. So that was what we did in the morning as our morning teaser.
We even finished before everybody else finished their work. We had the idea of what we wanted to do beforehand. So when the materials were given to us, we get started to it, and it was so firm and so rigid.
To bring the skills, so people in different parts of the country who watch, the show will learn engineering, essential industry skills, advanced engineering skills. We also hope that the show will inspire Nigerians to venture into indigenous manufacturing. By the time they see the possibilities around here, they see the advanced engineering skills, and then they see the precision manufacturing equipment, they begin to have more hope in the capacity of Nigerians and Nigerian engineers to meet the needs of the industry. And then we hope that this will inspire more and more people to go into manufacturing. We also hope that this will also inspire young people, millions of young people in primary schools, in secondary schools, to begin to aspire to become engineers, future engineers. And by so doing, we will increase the population of engineers and technologies in Nigeria.
Today we dived into electronics. One of the things we learned today was the use of computer-aided design for PCB. So we learned how to design simple electronic circuits and introduction to embedded systems.
And also we had to design PCB using the PCB design software such as Pro Tools, Freezik or eCAD. So after the design of the PCB, we took it to the PCB machine where we generated the necessary files that could convert our designs into G and M code.
And unfortunately, we never had such knowledge all the while we spent in our universities. But thank God for Genius Nigeria program, and we are being taught, we are being instructed, we are given the opportunity to even do these things ourselves. And so we are definitely going to be using this knowledge when we are